Final Cut Pro app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to professional video editing, few tools are as iconic as Final Cut Pro. Used by YouTubers, filmmakers, and editors around the world, it's known for speed, power, and precision. But even with its reputation, Final Cut Pro isn't perfect. Let's explore the real pros and cons of the Final Cut Pro app. Starting with the pros, Final Cut Pro's biggest advantage is performance. It's built specifically for macOS and optimized for Apple hardware, which means lightning-fast rendering, smooth playback, and minimal lag even with igoric footage. If you're using an or Mac, the difference is night and day. The magnetic timeline is another standout feature. It automatically keeps clips, transitions, and effects perfectly aligned, no messy gaps or sync issues. This smart workflow saves hours of editing time and is one reason so many creators swear by it. Another major plus is Final Cut's built-in effects and color tools. You can correct colors, adjust lighting, and add cinematic effects without leaving the app. It also supports HEATure, 360-degree video, and advanced multicam editing. Final Cut Pro is also a one-time purchase, not a subscription. Unlike Adobe Premiere Pro, you pay once and own it forever, a major advantage for long-term creators. But of course, there are a few cons. The first is platform limitation. Final Cut Pro only runs on macOS. If you use Windows, you're out of luck. Another con is collaboration. While Apple has made improvements, team-based editing still feels less fluid compared to Adobe's cloud system. And finally, the learning curve. Final Cut Pro's interface is powerful, but it can be intimidating for newcomers, especially those switching from simpler editors. In conclusion, Final Cut Pro is a powerhouse for video professionals who want speed, quality, and full creative control. It's optimized, efficient, and built to perform, but best suited for users deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem. If you're serious about video editing and want results that match your creativity, Final Cut Pro delivers with precision and style.